Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about using crystals for nighttime meditation. There's something special about the energy of the night. It's the perfect time to connect with ourselves and invite peace before sleep. A good night's sleep is crucial for our well-being. Crystals can enhance meditation and promote restful sleep. They calm our minds and create a peaceful atmosphere. I'll share my top 5 crystals for nighttime meditation. So, if you're ready to drift off into a dreamy sleep, keep watching. Let's start with a classic, Amethyst. Amethyst is known for its calming and soothing energy. It's like a gentle hug for your mind and soul. It helps relieve stress and anxiety. I hold on to an amethyst and just breathe. It brings a sense of peace. Amethyst helps with insomnia and promotes vivid dreams. Imagine drifting off to sleep with beautiful, dreamy landscapes. I love keeping a small piece of amethyst under my pillow. Next up, we have Moonstone, which, as you might have guessed from the name, has a deep connection to the moon. Just like the moon, Moonstone is all about intuition, emotions, and feminine energy. It helps us to tap into our subconscious and understand our emotions on a deeper level. If you're someone who tends to overthink or feel emotionally drained at the end of the day, meditating with Moonstone can be incredibly grounding and balancing. I like to hold a Moonstone palm stone in my hand while I'm meditating and visualize its calming energy washing over me. It's also said to promote peaceful sleep and reduce nightmares. Who wouldn't want that, right? So if you're looking to connect with your intuition and invite more peace into your night, Moonstone is your go-to. Chapter 3. Selenite, the Energy Purifier. Let's talk about selenite. Selenite is known for its incredible cleansing properties. It's like a sage stick, but in crystal form. Selenite clears negative energy and creates a high vibrational space. Who wouldn't want to sleep in a purified space? Place a selenite wand on your nightstand to clear stagnant energy. Use it to cleanse your other crystals too. Leave them on a selenite charging plate overnight. Selenite promotes clarity, peace, and tranquility. It's like hitting the reset button on your energy before sleep. Chapter 4. Lepidolite. Stress less, sleep more. If stress and anxiety are keeping you up at night, you need lepidolite in your life. This gorgeous crystal is known for its high lithium content, which is often used in mood stabilizers. Don't worry, you don't have to worry about that with the crystal. It just has naturally calming properties. Lepidolite helps to reduce stress, quiet down those racing thoughts, and promote a sense of deep relaxation. It's like a warm, soothing bath for your mind. I find that meditating with lepidolite before bed helps me to let go of any worries or tension I've been holding onto throughout the day. You can simply hold it in your hand, place it on your forehead, or even sleep with it under your pillow. Experiment and see what feels best for you. Chapter 5. Black Tourmaline, your protective crystal shield. Last but not least, we have black tourmaline, a powerful grounding and protective stone. Think of black tourmaline as your crystal guardian, shielding you from negative energy and electromagnetic frequencies from all those electronics we have in our bedrooms. I mean, we love our phones and laptops, but sometimes we need a break from their energy, especially at night. Black tourmaline helps to create a sense of safety and security, allowing you to fully relax and let go of any fears or worries. I like to place a piece of black tourmaline on my nightstand or near my bed to create a protective barrier around my sleeping space. It's like having a little energetic bodyguard watching over you while you sleep. Sweet dreams are made of this. So there you have it, my top 5 favorite crystals for nighttime meditation. Incorporating these crystals into your nighttime routine can bring about a sense of calm, peace, and relaxation, paving the way for a restful night's sleep. Whether it's Amethyst's calming energy, Moonstone's intuitive guidance, Selenite's cleansing vibes, Lepidolite's stress-reducing properties, or black tourmaline's protective shield, there's a crystal out there to support your sleep journey. I would absolutely love to hear about your experiences. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried meditating with crystals before bed. and which ones are your favorites. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crystal content. Until next time, sweet dreams.